Well, we want little robot to be able to move his lower leg around the knee joint, flexion and extension of the knee. And we've just made it, this is actually a section of the lecture series to demonstrate the issues associated with measurement. So we're not optimizing the robot to be perfect with respect to its ability to imitate a human being. And we'd like to use these same pistons over and over again because our discussion issue here is measurement. We think it's important for you to see just what is involved in putting together a three-dimensional robot. So we're not going to have everything happen immediately. We do want to make the ability of the knee to move. And as the lower leg moves this direction, it tends to flex the knee. And we need the piston to do that. This distance is the longest distance that the piston will have, considering the piston that will flex the knee. So the piston that we want to copy is the long version of our piston. So we will copy it and paste it in place, and then we'll go get it and we'll move it down. Then we'll put it in place where it's supposed to be. And we'll line it up with its mid position, which is about right there. Now it's obviously not turned as it should be, but that's okay. We can adjust where it's turned to. And we have taken this bearing point and moved it down this way towards the knee, and we've taken this bearing point and moved it up towards the knee. And we'll just take a peek at these to see how far off we are, and it's not off by much. Well, this is fully extended. So in order for this to be a fixed problem, we need to do a few things with this. First of all, we'll make it unique. Because we want this to be a different so we'll move this over 3 inches because it's not really our issue at this point. And then we want to extend the length of this part a little bit. It seemed to me to be maybe perhaps a ½ inch. And of course, in order for this to work, we need to move this component down. By a ½ inch. We will bring to your attention there's a possibility our computer may have a little blue alien living inside the computer. We asked him if he would help us to show you the name of the next video in our series about PistonRobot, and he said, sure.